buy idea on pound kiwi. So what do we have here? We are on the daily chart. So on the daily chart we can see it's perfectly aligned with this trend line that we have here. So hit the trend line, you know, the buyers to control again and again, and even here. So for the moment, you know, this trend line is not broken. So from here, especially that we put, you know, the Fibonacci retracement from the low of the last leg. So this is the last leg. We put from the low to the high, and now we can see here clearly that we are around 70% Fibonacci retracement. So that's why, you know, from this level, even if it's going a little, maybe a little more down, the thing is that, you know, a correction is gonna come. And let's go to the 4 hours now. The 4 hours now, and if you are looking on the MACD, we can see clearly that we have, you know, first bearish divergence, second bearish divergence, and now the fourth bearish divergence. So now is really struggling, you know, that the price, you know, to go lower and lower. We can see, you know, the last lows, how they were created, you know, low, then again, you know, close to each other. And when we had so much volume and so many sellers, look how the sellers, they were here and here and even here. And now, you know, the sellers, you know, trying, you know, slow by slow, you know, to not be anymore in the control. And we can see, you know, that the buyers, you know, they are trying, you know, still trying, you know, to take the control on the short term. So the first target for pound kiwi, I expect, you know, to be around here, because, you know, there is a supply, you know, really strong supply, and I expect it from there, you know, the price, you know, to create possible, you know, to go and make one more low. So that should be, you know, like the target for that one. If not, you are still, you know, like um, risking like quite like 50 points or 60 points. Even this one is a really good target for this one, because you never know, maybe, you know, the correction, like I said, you know, is gonna be a bigger correction, or if not, you know, still, you know, is still a chance, you know, to go until that zone. And until that zone, if we're gonna put how many points, so from here until that zone we still have almost like 190 points. So even if you are risking like 80 points now to the downside, still you can get, you know, like even almost 2.5, you know, risk to reward. That's is really good. And now clearly, you know, on the 4 hours chart, you know, so many bullish divergence. That doesn't mean, you know, that okay, from here, you know, for sure is going to go down. What This is only my opinion, you know, and what I can see, you know, the structure of the price, you know, and how it's looking, you know, all the candles and all like the chart itself. All right, so this is what I wanted to say about pound kiwi. This is my idea now. Is a counter trend, you know, trade. So this is really hard, but I believe, you know, that a correction, you know, should come, you know, after this wave that we had